This is a Sharkbite 1/2 inch end stop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it, the function of it, and how to disconnect it. Let's get started. So for the end cap, it basically just to push in and close this pipe. It's very useful, for example, if you got some leak, you're going to cut the pipe right away and then just put the end stop like this. It will stop the leak right away. The another use of it is when you're doing the renovation, doing it yourself, and in the middle of the day you want to stop the job. You can't leave this open. You just put this one in, and the next day we come back. It can easily to put off, so you can continue to work. Let's see the inside. The inner part, there's a plastic tube. When you use the copper, it doesn't have to be in here, but when you use the packs, it must be inside the packs to improve the strength. And you will see the metal teeth. The metal teeth will grab the copper. You see the marks. And inside, around here, there's O-ring right here. The O-ring actually seal the copper. So that's why we need to make a mark. For connect, line them up, and you will feel the resistance right here. And here is the metal teeth. You just push. You pass the metal teeth. Now you are facing the O-ring. You need to keep pushing until the copper pipe reach the end. Okay, right here. For disconnecting, there's a special tool for disconnect. There's opening. You push this one in. And the way to disconnect is to push the plastic in and open the metal teeth. Then you can take the copper out. One hand push this and one hand grab the copper. So let's do this. Okay, it can be easily taken out. As you see the inside, there's no damage at all. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.